Vinyl wrapping, it's quite a personal thing to do to a car, isn't it? Now, I actually personally quite like the colour of this car. I think it's called turquoise gloss or something like that. Yeah, it looks quite cool in front of you. I threw the camera, I mentioned it in previous videos. It does definitely look a little bit of a different shade of turquoise, but either way, I get the feeling that a lot of people don't love it. And when you're selling a car, you need to kind of make it appeal to a wider audience of people. And when it looks like that, I agree that that doesn't appeal to a wider audience of people. So what I've decided to do, because I'm bored and I want something to do, I've decided to get the wrap peeled off the RS7. So there it is then, my beloved Audi RS7. It is looking a bit dirty, apologies for that. I do normally try and get cars clean for videos, but I've been daily driving it and cars get dirty in 5 minutes in these conditions, don't they? So yeah, I'm loving it though, proper nice car. And I just can't get the idea out of my head that, well, let me just show you the colour that it is from factory. You can't even see it in here really, because the people that have wrapped it have done such a bloody good job of the wrap that they've covered up most of the original blue that you can just about see there on the hinges. And the wrap was, how much was it? Over £3,000 to get this wrap done. And I'm guessing the reason why it was, one second, let's open that. It was done in a different shade of blue was maybe to retain the word blue on the logbook. I don't know, but so it's gone from like a nice sort of Audi dark blue colour to this turquoise blue on the body. So yeah, that is a nice colour, but I think what would also look good is if we got the wheels done in like a factory stock looking finish. I think normally they're diamond cut on the face and then like a graphite on the inner edge there. So I think I want to get that done as well. All this forged carbon, I'm going to take that off. I want the car looking original. The black roof, I'm guessing that's also wrapped. Get that off. The headlights, we'll see if we can get that. Surely that's just wrap as well. Could possibly be spray. I don't think it is spray tint. So yeah, the idea is to get the car looking as original as possible, but more than anything, exposing that lovely blue colour that's beneath that wrap. It does feel a little bit criminal, I'm not going to lie, because like I keep saying, has had such a good job done on it. But I'll be honest, we're quiet at work at the minute because of all this lockdown nonsense, and let's just close that. I'm just thinking about ways of A, keeping myself busy, and B, making the cars or the stock that we've got at the minute more desirable for when things get back to normal. So yeah, first job, get the wheels done. Second job, get the vinyl wrap removed. Let's get on it. Right, so there's a couple of days on now, and I'm basically the other side of the farm that Binker's on. So Binker's obviously located on a farm in Milton Keynes. It's right up in that direction over there. Yeah, that's actually our bargain corner there. But at this end of the farm, there's a unit here, unit 9. This company's called A to Z, and what they do is like car customization and wrapping, right? So it just made sense. We've used them a couple of times before. Shout out to Alex, proper nice guy. Made sense to get them to remove the wrap. Yeah, they're going to do a proper job of it, and they're also going to polish the car, make it all look good after. So the wheels have now been done. I don't think I showed you the wheels at the beginning part of this video, did I? Nah, I didn't. So they are now diamond cut. Check them out. They look a million times better. And what we're going to do is, this car was specced with a silver pack from factory, but when they wrapped it, when they put the turquoise colour on, they've wrapped the trims in black. So I think we're going to leave the trims in black. We're going to remove all the forged carbon, remove the black roof because I don't like that, and make the car look as original as possible, just as it come out of the factory. But we're also going to remove the tint on the rear lights, the tint on the headlights, and all the forged carbon bits on the mirrors and the front splitters and stuff. All right, so yeah, it is the heater fan, or the radiator fan, is on at the minute because I just had quite a fun journey to work. So what we'll do now is we'll cut to the section of the video that the wrap is being removed. All right, let's go. Right, Right, prepare yourself for this, guys, because the transformation on this car is unbelievable. The colour is such a nice colour. Now, I know full well on the open market now, this car is going to be so much more appealing to so many more people. Let me know your thoughts when you see it, by the way, I'm sure you will, in the comments below. It's took a lot longer than expected. We're about 3 or 4 weeks down the line now. I'll explain more about why that is in a sec, but let's just cut some cinematics and show you my new, it's not new, new looking Audi RS7, yeah? Little countdown, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this is a little bit of a problem. Look how bloody good this car looks. Now, when it first came in, I liked this car. I was like, yeah, I absolutely love it. I love the spec of it. I love the presence of an RS7. Obviously, the tunability, the drivability, it offers so much. And obviously, it's a mega quick car. And when I saw the colour of the hinges, I was like, this paint colour is so nice. It'd be so nice if we could just peel the wrap off, yeah? As you know, we tried selling it and it didn't sell because the colour choice was so unique and so personal. And now that I've had this wrap peeled off, I cannot believe how attractive this car looks. So what we've had done is, I'll take you for a little wander around and tell you, is obviously the wrap's been peeled off. At the front we had forged carbon. I had all of that removed because this car was spec'd with a silver pack from factory, and a lot of people going for this black pack look at the minute. I just think a car should be as it was from factory. Like my RS6 had a silver pack and I left it with a silver pack because I think it looked really nice. So I think that's personal preference though. A lot of people would definitely prefer a black pack, but I just wanted it looking like a nice original or original-ish Audi RS7. So we've got the chrome badges, gel plates from YourCarReg. I love a set of gel plates, they look really nice. We bought the new badges from Audi, so we've got the Audi rings there, and then the RS7 badge because they were black before, and we've peeled off, like I say, the forged carbon from the side vents, the mirrors. But we left the black trim around the window. I was a bit unsure about whether I wanted to remove that because I thought that looked quite nice and not too out of place, I suppose. We've had the wheels refurbed in the correct finish, diamond cut face, black on the inside. They look absolutely amazing. What an attractive set of wheels they are, especially against the blue paint. And then as we come around the back, we've had this carbon, again, the forged carbon removed from the bottom splitter there. Gel plate on the rear as well. Shout out to YourCarReg. I'll put a link for them in the description below if you want to get yourself a set of them. But at the back, I was very unsure about putting a chrome badge on there and there. So we have actually ordered them. So I might change them, but I just think at the back it looks kind of quite aggressive. The rear lights are still quite dark, even though that is the factory finish. And I just felt, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts on that. But other than that, it all looks very, very nice. On the inside, obviously nothing's changed, but I'll show you again how wonderful this interior is. Let me know what your thoughts are on this, but we were just having a little chat about the interior on this car. Let's switch that off. No, it's not that. We was just having a little chat inside about the interior on this car, and I think at the price point that these are at now, sort of early £30,000, I think that is the best interior in any car on the market for that price point. So yeah, I absolutely love it. I am going to be daily driving this car now, I think, because it's just got it all going for it. It's got a sunroof, it's got front and rear cameras, it's got DAB radio, heated seats. Not that you need them this time of year now because the weather is brightening up a little bit. It's beautiful. We had the tint removed from the headlights, the tint removed from the rear lights. And one thing I haven't said was the reason why it took so long was, one, getting the badges. That was a bit of a palaver. And two, as we peeled the wrap off, it actually peeled loads of paint off of, I think, the front bumper here. I'll show you a clip now. And then as we come around to the rear, it peeled a bit of lacquer off of this edge here, so we had that rear quarter repainted as well. So A to Z actually done all of that for us. I'll put a link for them in the description below. Shout out to them. Like I say, they are located on the same farm as we are at Binker. But that is the RS7 in its current glory. I think I am just going to keep this video short and sweet. Just look at it from that angle. If I sort of stand back, zoom in, yeah, man, that looks so good. Them wheels. But yeah, this is going to be my journey home. I'm going to wrap this video up, keep it short and sweet. Let me just spin the camera around quickly. Don't really know what else to say. I was going to do a little drive in this car, as part of this video, but I don't think I need to. I've done other driving videos in it anyway. If there is any more content you want me to do on this car, do let me know. I'm going to get back to work now because it's bloody busy over there, and I'm farting around out the back with a camera and an RS7. I'm genuinely looking forward to my journey home tonight because yeah, I really like this car. I've kind of got this problem where I wouldn't say it goes far as saying I fall in love with cars, but when a car comes in and it ticks all the boxes and it's a high performance car, I just do sort of gel with it a little bit. So it will be going up for sale though. It ain't the car for me. I still don't know what car is going to be the car for me. I don't know. As I mentioned in the previous video, I do just want to keep trading, keep moving forward, keep the ball rolling with the car trade, and at some point I will get myself a car. So for now, everything's going up for sale. That's saying, I keep saying everything's for sale. Got to keep on it, and we'll see what happens, all right? So I'm going to leave it as that. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know your thoughts. If you was to buy an Audi RS7, low £30,000, or if you was to buy an entry-level RS7, would you rather have the turquoise wrap or this wonderful blue paint finish with the diamond cut wheels that we've got? Let me know. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you did like this video, hit like. If you're new to my channel, I'm actually out of breath. It's the weight of this camera, all this wandering around. If you're new to my channel, hit subscribe for a new video every Wednesday and Sunday at 6 o'clock. Let's get that in the background before we end the video. And if you are on Instagram, give me a follow on Instagram at Calvin's Car Diary, right? See you later. In the next episode of Diary of a Car Trader, I meet up with Ibby to talk more about Teslas, but this time it's a Tesla Model 3 Performance. And the big question is this car now the quickest thing on my 20 to 70 mile an hour draggy leaderboard? Find out on Wednesday at 6 o'clock.